Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for TOEFL reading section step by step. Start by learning the section format and timing, then practice active reading using skimming and scanning. Focus on common question, types, and practice with real passages under timed conditions. Track accuracy and time per question to pinpoint weaknesses. Use targeted drills for vocabulary and inference questions, and gradually increase passage difficulty to build endurance and confidence. Use active reading strategies to boost speed and comprehension. Begin with a quick skim for the main idea and structure, then read selectively for details that answer likely questions. Mark transitions and keywords like however, therefore, and despite to follow the author's logic. Practice paraphrasing each paragraph mentally to aid inference and summary questions. Over time, your eyes will move faster, and your accuracy on paraphrase and inference items will improve noticeably. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long study marathons and comfort versus distractions. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Create a targeted practice plan tailored to your weak areas and test timing. Alternate between full-time sections and focus drills on vocabulary or inference questions. After each practice session, review every mistake, write why you missed it, and create a short micro-lesson to fix that pattern. Gradually increase passage difficulty and log your time and accuracy to measure steady improvement and build exam day confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.